Today, I'm going to show you what a prime 5-bedroom in the heart of Dubai looks like, comprising of 10,371 square feet with a lifestyle that comes with it. As you enter the Address Hillcrest community, which as mentioned, is situated right in the heart of Dubai Hills Estate, there's only 138 villas here, giving you a sense of exclusivity and privacy. This is the modern style. With the modern style, you get 3 additional balcony spaces and a larger roof terrace. Additionally, you also have space for 4 cars, and within the community, there's enough guest parking to have all of your family and friends over for a nice evening of entertainment. Come with me and let's have a look. As we enter the property, you have a sense of grandeur with double height ceilings, and you can marvel at the architectural glass staircase which runs 4 floors throughout the property. Immediately on the right hand side as you enter, you have the 5th bedroom. Here in the entrance lobby, you can have some nice cabinetry, perfectly suited for your shoes and also your coats. Coming through, we have the reception area. Now, typically in this style of villa, people will have a coffee lounge in this section where you can have 2 chairs and a nice coffee table, and it really adds some elegance to the property once you enter the home, and you can enjoy your time here looking around whilst everyone is cooking or in the living space. To help you envisage how this modern open plan layout could look with furniture, the reasonable setup would suggest that you could have your 3-piece sofa here, a nice coffee table and a large TV or projector on this wall. Similarly, you could also find yourself having an informal dining space behind the living space where you could have those casual family dinners. A lovely addition to this property is to have this display kitchen out the front so that you can have your canapes, and also it's just situated off the more formal dining area where you could have 12-seater table perfectly set up. If you find yourself having some formal entertainment, then you can actually also enjoy using the wet kitchen, which is situated just behind the display kitchen, ensuring that you can have your own private chefs whilst enjoying your time entertaining with your friends and family. The 5th bedroom is situated here on the ground floor. This space could be perfect for a guest room or for when your relatives stay, as it's situated just by the door and they can come and go as they wish. Additionally, this space would make an amazing office. To the rear of the property, you're presented with this beautiful stream. These walkways lead through to the clubhouse and the swimming pool. From the ground floor, we're going to head up to the next floor where we'll find the rest of the 4 bedrooms, including the master and the 3 additional guest rooms. On the first floor, complemented by Ema, you're presented with this nice showcase bookshelf featuring your favorite ornaments and also your favorite books. Situated just at the top of the stairs on the first floor, we have the grandeur of the master bedroom. This is an amazing size and personally one of my favorite rooms of the house. Additionally, you have a walk-through dresser with his and her sides, and then you go through to your ensuite, also which has a separate standalone bathtub and a separate shower with additional his and her sink. In the second bedroom, which is adjacent the other side of the master, along with bedrooms 3 and 4, you'll notice that there's ample of storage. Here in the second, for example, you have 10 built-in wardrobes. The fourth bedroom, it takes center stage with 6 built-in wardrobes and its own ensuite, which is the same as the 5th bedroom downstairs as well. Out the front of the 4th bedroom, you have this expansive large terrace where you can actually see through to the entrance foyer down below. A wow factor in the Address Hillcrest is certainly this open and expansive basement area. It's currently open plan, but it can be segmented up very nicely depending on your family needs. What I've seen has been done is a cinema space this side on the left-hand side of the basement, and then coming through to the middle, you'd have your games area. You could have a snooker, or you could have a ping pong table, etc. Then once we move through to the latter part of the basement on the right-hand side, we could have a large scale gym. Could be ideal for a Pilates studio, or alternatively, a yoga space or cardio. Then wrapping around here, you could have your free weights section. The basement actually goes around the entirety of the property on the ground floor with a column in the middle, which is your staircase leading to the 4th floor. If you don't want to take all those stairs all the time, then there is actually provisions where you can put a lift in here, which was designed to be a lift shaft, taking you up to the 4th floor of the property. Situated at the top of this fantastic villa, some may say this is really the cherry on the top. Enjoying the Dubai sun on your own private rooftop terrace. If you would like to see this in person and the whole villa and to know more about the address, please reach out today to arrange your private viewing.